I didn't check if my SD card is full or not, but I think we will find out. So I'm here this morning to review this new thing I got from Amazon. I'm going to take this to open it up, and I hope the camera can handle this. I dearly had to make a cut in the video to get this right. And I hope it's not ruined. Oh, what did I cut? What's this? Okay, so here is the thing I'm reviewing. Let's put this to the side. A metric micrometer set. Why metric? If you do engineering, you use metric. That's how it is. You know? It comes in a untreated wooden box, so you would have to paint it yourself or what? Is this nuts? Yeah, for the price, you know? An untreated wooden box. Okay. It has metal locks. Foam inserts. We have an instructional manual here. This is how it looks like. Only English on that side, nothing on the other. Okay. We have 3 calibration pieces. There's a tool in here for the calibration. Right, and that's it already. If you want to measure a little more accurate.